Exactly. You cannot run this branch on Java 8. Why? Because your pipeline will broke immediately. If you try to run this branch on Java 8, your application will not start. Your context will break up immediately, okay, on the beginning. Okay, you need to click on this process, for example, to see what we have inside of it. Like, for example, yeah, here, console output, or yeah, do we see here like a Java version or not? View build information. Uh,
I will see it
no, no, no.
in parameters. Yeah.
Environments. You see
Oh, Tomcat version.
Java 8. Go back and go back.
To the main page.
Go back. Here, you see the guys, you see the Catalina out. Catalina out means like a startup and process logs of our main application. When our application starts up and works, some logs we will write to the Catalina. Okay, click on this, on Catalina, or you can click on view,
Mm, View, yeah.
or, or view. And what the Java version we have. We can check using JVM version. You see?
But why does it not, like, when I log into the server and I actually try to check it using the command, why does it show it's still on the version 8? Because the pipeline that has been set up on Jenkins, it's doing a SSH on the server. After doing the SSH on the server, it's running the command and seeing what version is running on that particular server. And then
Hmm.
again, it's coming back to Jenkins to like run the test. If it's having Java version 8, then it's failing. And if it's having 11 version, then it'll pass the test and the test will start running. That's the current mechanism that has been set up.
Yeah, this question we can ask Emil later, yeah, but right now we can check this on our own, for
Yeah,
example.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, go on,
Yeah,
sir.
on this server, we don't have any other version than this is running here. You need to, like, for example, if you like we have, you see like a Java is very old, solid language, yeah. I don't know, like 30, 40 years ago, yeah, was the first version. And we have some, like few options to check what the current version we're using right now. Because different packet managers can use different Java versions, and you can use these different packet managers also. The main question, how Catalina.sh, what the version Catalina.sh using exactly inside of it, you see? For example, from what packet manager Catalina is using this also. Could you, I will send to the group chat, check this out. Run these commands
On the server?
on Zora.
Yeah, okay. The first one I've already used it.
Yeah, you see, guys, we see some
See.
warnings about the Java version, but we don't have any other version than the Java 11 right now running.
I think this will be a script. Yeah, this is a script. Again, it's running the same command. So,
Let's check the which Java.
Hmm. There's no Java here.
Let me to the Emil, okay?
Yes, it's good. Java. Okay, it's here, Java. That's not a folder.
You can try also check the Catalina SH.
It was in logs, CD, user.
Yeah, right now the main point, not the like fix this problem for you, for example, yeah, guys. But right now my main point to like help you how to troubleshoot such kind of problems. You see, Harvey.
Mhm.
Emil,
Mhm.
Hello.
hello, Emil. We have a questions. Right now we with guys are running the some tests on Zoro and Yoda. And for example, the Harvey made the function that check that this service or like this exactly my like a Java 11 branch running on Java 11.
Mhm.
Like and when he trying to check the Java version, he got the 1.8, the Java 8 version, for example, yeah. But
I
like
see. I
how
mean,
he can check
See,
the
the version in links to the version in etc Java.
etc. Java.
Run the
Okay.
command ls. No, sorry, user Java. Ls slash user slash
Hmm.
Java without slash in the end.
yeah,
Here.
no. It's the
Execute
same.
this command without slash in the end of the command.
Okay. Okay.
And
Mhm.
add um, key LH.
Okay. LH. You said.
Yeah, that is link to the Java 11. And when Tomcat starting, it see to the link user Java.
So you mean when we run this command, it will show us, which is showing us that it's on version 11.
Open the file user Tomcat 2 bin
Bin.
and Catalina sh.
You want me to cat open it?
Less comment
Okay.
less Catalina sh. Um, find the Java home in capital letter.
Java.
Yeah, next Java home.
Here it is, Java home.
Yeah, you in the next of this file. Yeah, you can see that export Java home C user Java. When you start Tomcat, version of Java will be used in of this link. That is mean it will start right now with Java 11. And you can run the command ps ix and search
Okay.
with grep Java.
Yeah, I also wanted to tell you. Yeah, maybe the better idea to check the process, you see, not the version, like what the current process we're running right now. Do we have here Java version?
And yeah, user Java bin Java. If you run this code and put the key version, you can see that it will be Java 11.
So I can use this command to check the version when I'm actually running the test on Zoro. Is this fine?
Yeah,
Okay, perfect.
without
Just a
CD,
second.
just this command and Java version.
Without CD. Okay. USR user Java bin again
Bin
Java, right?
Java, yeah, and key version.
And
Version,
like
yeah,
this.
yeah.
Okay. 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 I'll update this Askat in this pipeline, Jenkins pipeline.
Yeah, you got my point. Like, for
Yep.
example, this is doesn't matter what the version currently you have on the server. If we use the symbolic links, yeah, we can like pull out this Java version to start in our Catalina SH process. Okay, let's go over with the last that the Aaron sent. Okay, do you have any extra questions to Emil?
No, just wanted to know the version. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you, Emil.
Thank you. And about the our migration, Emil, I sent to Carlos like a 6 or 8, I don't know, no, yesterday, yeah. I sent
Mhm.
a PR on our fix for Sakura card issues. Also, Kanchan put her approval on my PR, and if Carlos will approve my PR, we can merge our fix to the master and run the Sakura again. Okay.
When are we going to redeploy Sakura?
I'm planning to do it today when we can like make a cherry pick from our branch from the master to some, like the last deployment artifact, the Z branch, and
Mhm.
then we can go over with this. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
better.
Okay, Harvey, you got my point, yeah? What also will have the typical problems that last time sent the Aaron or Aaron, yeah? Or guys, we can all go over with the last case.
This one?
Yeah, this one. Let's check what the problem is.
Okay, 436. Let me open this one. But not sure who. mm,
This timeout exception, yeah? Also, we
436.
can show to guys how to run whatever server we have. You guys can run on this Jenkins process. For example, the production servers also. I did it on the last week.
This is the one, right? 436 mobile one. Mobile regression. Yeah, 436. But this was run by Paul. She is from the QA team itself. Yes, so Aaron, for Zoro and Yoda, so these are the primary servers that Askhat is using for the Java 11 version and Tomcat 9 version, with specifically Askhat's branch that we just saw right now, which was 5350.
Paul de la Cruz, what the branch he ran, or what the server?
She she must have been running her own this thing. She ran on test deploy. So
Uh, with the server, we can like a copy paste the test deploy the domain name, and let's find on our R2D2 R2D2 test deploy.
any random server.
No,
Oh,
test
okay, okay,
server
sorry.
test
Okay, so yeah, yeah, sorry.
deploy. Yeah, I think we don't have this on our
Yeah, it's there. There's like the QA team have it. We don't have it. So
yeah,
like
and
it's
how we
they need
can
to worry about it.
okay make SSH on the server from your terminal secure SRT or SSH test deploy. Let's check
As
the
hot test deploy that is release candidate server and it is not ready for Java 11.
hmm
Yeah, so
We
there's no requirement for that server to have Java
yeah
11 or Tomcat 9.
yeah maybe yeah we don't should pay attention for this server
Yeah,
exactly because
exactly.
this
Exactly, that's
server
the point.
master.
And it's ran by Paul, who's actually the part of QA team. So it's something they should be worrying about.
Yeah.
And looking at this failure, I can see that it's a Chromium failure, which we were like, I also had problems with this. So, Askat, I've set up our own, like the configurations and everything on CPU now. So, we are no more dependent on their server to run
Mm.
our tests, like
Mhm.
the main where we are hosting it, which was rum.dressback.com, this one. So, now we
Oh,
are using CPU for it. Because this server was having problems in between. I guess Aaron, you shared in the group that it's having some errors and it's not running the tests. So at that time, I like made the configurations, installed everything on CPU, which is our test server. So we don't have to worry about it anymore.
mhm. Revolve mobile regression automation test. Yeah, I see. I got you. I got you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
could you Harvey send
Mhm.
again the links?
Yeah, yes, yes. I'll send the link for main one right now, and I'm working on this one,
Exactly.
mobile version currently.
Your environments. Yeah, exactly. Your test
Yes,
cases.
the one, yes, yeah. So test cases, we still, I mean, test cases we
How
haven't
about
added as such.
for Zora and for Yoda? But the
It's,
automation you're running. Could
yeah,
you send again to the our chat
yes, yes.
and need to show guys to show to the guys how we can run them
Yeah,
on.
I've shown the team already in previous call, and they are like started to use it also. I think, correct, Jess, Aaron, and Dina, you've already started running some branches.
Mhm.
Revolve main, this is Revolve main. And today I'll share later today, I'll share for Revolve mobile version. I'm working on it right now. So these are the only two links that will be used by us. Correct, Asad, for our like Yoda and Zoro, and for our test cases, like for our tests.
Mhm. Uh, Sorry. Yeah, this is not our stage. This is not our case, not our stage, not our
Yeah,
problem. Exactly
yeah.
what we need to check the mobile and uh the main version of how did you call it? DevOps, yeah. This is
Yes.
the cases running for our Java 11 branch. Uh, Guys, if
Yep.
you want to run some, for example, if you want to test some server, if you want to run some cases, some QA stages, or for example, you want to check some test case, for example, yeah, or QA ticket, yeah. Do you know how to do this from the Jenkins?
Yeah, I've shown
Yeah, I mean,
that.
like you guys, someone from the guys, Dina, Jess, or Aaron, you can share your screen and show how to run, for example, on Jenkins, or we can show you again, for example, how to do this. Okay, let me share my screen, guys. If
Yep.
you you see, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
you see my screen, and for example, we have some. For example, you as a QA, what is your like a main purpose? Yeah, what your main point of your job? Your you need to check uh, the process how like our website is working. For example, if me as a client go to the revolve.com, yeah, and I want to buy something, yeah, I want to buy some.
Recording in progress.
Who is recording? Okay.
I am.
Okay. If I want to, for example, buy something, some clothes or accessories, etc. Yeah, I will go to the website. I will sign in, for example, with my credentials. Yeah, for example, I will go to accessories. For example, this necklace or bracelet. Yeah. Okay. Add to the. Okay, let's choose the. And yes, you as a QA, for example, you will check. You need to check, or you need to have the checkout list. For example, maybe this checkout list we can get from Kanchan, yeah. You need to check the all functional that you have on this page. For example, how works this button, or this button works or don't work. For example, if you add to the back, for example, yeah. In this case, yeah, we should see that this bracelet we have in our shopping bag. You see, guys? But if you add to the back, yeah, click add to the back, and you don't see this item in your cart, this means that we have some problems, some issues, and we need to fix it. Okay, we open the ticket. We will assign this ticket. I don't know, like on Harvey or me, like or someone else to fix this. Yeah, and after our fix, we will, for example, initially, we will create the dev, for example, ticket grab for engineering team, dev for DevOps team. We will create the ticket, for example, fixed date issue for Java 11. And what was the issue? For example, if I sign in
The
on
best
Java,
could be you could just screen record it and
uh,
upload it along the ticket with the ticket.
for example, what was the problem? If I sign in on Java 11 branch, server and Java 8 branch server. This is completely two different platforms, yeah, using the different Java versions. The problem was if I put something here, yeah, in my bucket, in my shopping bag, on Java 11 branch, this wipe out all items will disappear. Like a Java 11 branch will not pull out these items, but we will see this on Java 8 and vice versa. If I add some item here, I won't see here. My all items will disappear, wiped out. You see, there was a problem. And then when I fixed it, okay, I said, okay, I will do this. Okay, yes, I will fix this issue. And then I need to open the QA ticket for it. Okay, okay, let's go here. I have opened, for example, from here, create QA, yeah, summary, what the problems, description, how to test it, how to run this test, how to validate result to help QA team, yeah, for example. And the QA team can run, for example, my instructions and validate the result. Mindy, yesterday she made the QA tests. You see, she tested on this account, Mindy, yeah, revolve.login.com, and she made all by instruction and validated my result. Okay, let's verify both branches back is synced across all devices. Okay, let's put the like here. Say thank you. Okay, and this we can call this process as manual testing. Manual testing means like you are replicating the human behavior, the customer client behavior. Yeah. Oh, I go here. I want to see the sales. I don't know, like, and everything should work, and client should see all items or all attributes, and client should have ability to use all functions that we provide to him on the server, for example. Yeah. This is a manual. The second option, regression tests or automated tests. For example, I have deployed my Java 11 branch using this 2d2 dressbar.com. You know how to do this, yeah, guys? Dina, Jess, Aaron.
Yes, I have tried it once.
Yeah, and I can show you how to do this, yeah? If you don't know something, you can ask me, okay? Interrupt me and ask me. Okay, build with parameters. Okay, we can click build with parameters. And for example, in this task, yeah, for example, yeah, you see the two branches. And you need to run this branch because I described this in here in the ticket. Pegasus, Ashat, def 5350, yeah? Okay, let's copy paste this. Yeah, to run this branch here. I go to the servers, yeah. I will find my test, exactly my test server. My test server name is Zoro. You can have your own test server name. I don't know, like Yoda or but Hirok. And then yes, then I will go here. Yeah, build with parameters. Yeah, build with parameters. And then I will put here branch. This is my branch. This is you can call it isolated environment. This branch is have isolation. Yeah, do you understand this word? Yeah, and this branch isolated from the master or from another branches. This branch have a different functions and different behavior if we compare with the master branch. Okay, isolation level, yeah. Okay, here we can choose Java 8 or Java 9. For this branch, exactly, we need to run Java 8 because our migration process is not done. Okay, let's check this 9. Okay, remove cache files. Okay, we can remove cache or we can leave this as is or copy war file. We don't need to check this. Click on this, yeah. And then we can run the build. Okay, let's run the build. And your build should pass all these stages. If your build will fail, like for example, like here, this means you have some problems with this branch or you made some mistakes when you started this branch. For example, in this case, I choose Java 8 branch, yeah, for Java 8, but I run on Java 9 environment or Java 11, sorry, environment. This like a and this means my branch is incompatible with this environment, you see? Because exactly if I run Java 11 branch, I need to run for Java 11 environment. Environment means where you are like here. Choose the Tomcat version. It means you choose the environment version. Okay. Okay, you see these stages will run. Make var sh. We'll make a new war file. Then restart Tomcat. Logs. Okay, and here we'll end. And let's imagine that we run all these stages and we have prepared, for example, server. For example, we will not wait right now for ending this. I will take the another server, yeah? For example, Yoda. Okay, let's authorize on Yoda. And here we see the Yoda server, yeah, guys? And how to, for example, this Yoda server have some already deployed branch. You see, uh, this is Yoda, the same as Zora. We run here our Java 11 branch. Pegasus had def 5350. Okay, let's open this website. And this website deployed exactly on my isolated branch. Or you can navigate here. You see, guys? I navigated on the tab, Chrome tab, and we see the branch name at top right corner. Do you see this, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, I
like,
don't know.
I need you from you the feedback because, yes, I don't know, like, do you listen to this or not? Maybe you are doing something else. Okay. Uh,
It
Pegasus.
took 3 business days.
Okay.
I didn't realize I was on mute.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Pegasus Asgadev, you see, we have this branch exactly on this server. This means our isolated branch running on this server, yoda.com, and we can check the functions related to our ticket, the problems related to our QA ticket. Oh, you can do this. You should need to check this. I mean, like the client had the problem. He couldn't like check out these items, or I don't know, like, make some buyings here, or he didn't see some I don't know like functions or etc. 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 And then, for example, after manual testing or before, you can run the automated Jenkins stages, QA stages from here. Yeah, here we have the two main stages. Revolve main regression DevOps. This stage running automatically by scheduler, yeah, that the Harvey did. Here you need to only open and check the results. Also results you have on our email. Yeah, you see like pipeline validation failed. Okay, you see? You will fix this.
Yeah, yes.
For example, here, test successful. Some results you have from here, but also you can go here and check, open here, this, and check, for example, the last run was 2 hours ago, yeah? Okay, let's open console output. If this sign will have some different uh, color, like a
If it's cross, then it's failed. And if there's an orange with exclamation, that says unstable.
yes, and in the end, we will see like a performance warning, slowest test, build status, for example. And if you will have the problems, yes, you will see some problems here. Also, you can run your own branch, for example, on the main, yeah, main regression automation test. Yeah, this is usual case that Kanchan for with the guys using for doing some automation test. And also we have here mobile version as well. Mobile main revolve mobile regression automation test. Okay, here. I will put these two links here also.
This one is used by Kanchan.
Main and mobile. You understand what is mean mobile, yes? From your okay, from iOS for iOS and Android. You can run these two test stages to test your some tickets related with Java early Java 11 is or not related, doesn't matter. You can use this also. As you can see here on October 7th, they run a lot of test cases, and some test cases was unstable, failed, unstable, had some problems. Yeah. Okay, let's run this. Okay. Here you only need to put your URL, yeah, to run this automation test. Guys, what does it mean automation test? Do you understand?
Yeah, I do.
Uh-huh. This uh, for example, we have Java application here, our main Java application here. And here we have the Java code. As a Java code, doing this Java code? Java code doing the same manual behavior that you are doing here. Sign in, put some items, click here, click there, trying to do some shoppings, yeah, trying to do like some, like human behavior, yeah. We replicate here, but with automation tests. Means this doing for you, this all process working for you, for your doing your job, for example. But do you know what the problem with this case could be? These automation tests could not have all test cases that you have in real life. Okay? I will send you some. Uh, yeah, this is appropriate. Uh, Anecdote for this. Okay. Mm. Uh, Means like this. Yeah, we don't have here all, and I think um they updated these test cases. Yeah, these steps a long time ago. And maybe we need, with Harvey, yeah, with your help, update for a new some test cases. And exactly related to maybe Java 11. And we want to migrate in the next year the Java 11 to Java 21, for example, yeah? We have some plans on this. And for this purpose, Carlos wants to make some QA process start from the admin servers. Do you know what does it mean, admin servers?
I think there is a list that was like shared by Adam before, and it has all of the like the servers.
Mhm. Harvey, did you create the Excel file? Okay.
Yeah,
Could you share with us in WhatsApp?
yeah.
Excel for the new project, the Selenium QA, blah blah blah.
I have the like sheet with me, but I have the URL for all the web XML.
Okay. Do you have the access to migration plan? Let me check.
Yeah, I have. I think so. I have
Yeah, you
it.
have the access. You see, here we made some list for admin servers. This is the list, guys, for admin servers. What does it mean, admin server? Admin server means this is production server, but these exactly servers don't use uh, people like a clients, yeah, usual clients, yeah, or like a typical clients. This is exactly servers the main purpose for our employees. For example, who is working on the warehouse or accountant, yeah, or I don't know, manager. They are using these exactly servers, yeah, to manage some, like their own problems, their own programs. I don't know. You got my point, yeah?
Yes.
And this deploy some servers. Okay, this is all production servers. All production servers for exactly for our clients. Forward, super down, revolve, lowers and friends. Uh, but we will start from this exactly servers, from the admin servers. With Harvey, we will start, and with your help, we will start the plan, how we can test exactly uh, the functions, the code flow that we have on admin servers. Because each of these servers have his own purpose, have his own like programs. For example, for the warehouse. For example, uh, warehouse, house, warehouse. Yeah. Program, mm, scanner. Yeah. Yeah. Scanner. What the scanner name? Yeah. With this,
It's used for picking the products.
what the house scanner name? Mm, Barcode. Yeah, barcode scanner. For example, I did some changes in barcode scanner program for our warehouse to scan the code, yeah, from the items, yeah. And yeah, for example, yeah, someone using this exactly program for a warehouse work. But this is our main purpose, yeah, Harvey. You need to create
Hmm.
you need to create you need to create uh, put this list. Let's start from the admin servers, yes. And for
Hmm.
example, next to for each server, we need to put his purpose. For example, I don't know, like the photo tool we're using for uploading photo or video of our items, or I don't know what the purpose is. Okay.
So all that information I will get from the web XML file.
Mm, a web XML file, yeah, and maybe from some tickets or wiki, or you got my point, yeah? Maybe I don't have
Mm.
this access. Yeah, on photo 2, you see these servers were using to upload photo and video, etc., etc., etc. I have this ticket here. Mhm. Sakura console not working. Here in console not working. Yeah, this is photo 2. They had the pro issue. They couldn't upload the video or photo. Yeah, you see? This is looks like our usual server, not because this using exactly another some functions, another business process. You see, guys? Navigation console women's. I don't know, like yeah. But you got my point, yeah, guys. Mm, any questions? Yeah, and okay. Any question, guys? Sorry, we have a Java 11 branch. Uh, and what is your question? Sorry. Uh, how often I update my uh Pegasus branch? Like I don't know, like once a couple hours. But we have the process with Joel and Nicholas. Yeah, for example, Joel sends me some tickets to check do we have on Java 11 branch. You see? And I will check these tickets on my Java 11 branch. And also, for example, I will update my branch at 6 a.m. LA time, and then 11 a.m. LA time, and 3 p.m. LA time. 3 times per day, I need to update my branch. But usually, I often, like, I don't know, like once a couple hours, or for each hour, like for every hour, I can update my branch from the master. Yeah, for example, for in this case, you need to maybe somehow read from the maybe wiki or sorry.
The group chat, you always send a message, right? That it's up to date.
Um, yeah, you need to maybe like read a bit more information about the Git versions. What does it mean? What does it? What does mean Git version system? from
or IDE.
from GPT or Claude or Grok as well, guys. What does it mean, Git version? Yeah, each branch have his own version, and this version, these branches, isolated from each other. The master version, means the main, yeah. We have only one master, and all other branches we will create from the master. And like a 6 or 8 months ago, I created from the master this branch, 5350, and I started to preparing this branch for Java 11 version. When we will finish our migration, I will merge again this 5350 to the master. You see 5350 and 5895. How many branch versions was between these two? Hundreds, yeah, hundreds and hundreds, or uh, 350 minus 895. You see, approximately 600, 550, 545. You got me, yeah, guys? Hundreds,
Yeah, yeah.
almost like 500 branches was created between my branch and nowadays. And when we will finish, I will update my. Oh, you see, I get updates from the master. Okay, let me push it. Okay, Aaron, did I answer on your questions, or you have something else? Mhm. Yeah, you see, right now I have updated. Yeah, right now I updated. Okay, I'm pushing. I like did this merge master to my branch. Okay, I updated, and then I can push here. This means my branch is the same with the master. Okay, and for example, if I click on my branch, I can check, do I have some tickets on my branch? For example, uh, Joel sent me some task and he asks me, do I have this on my branch? Okay, he sent this ticket, AN5020. I can take this ticket name, yeah, and go to my branch. Mm, here, okay, here, and click, and okay, we see, yeah, we have these changes that Josh made some changes, yeah, and I have the changes on my branch. Okay, yes, and what about our task? Yeah, and here, for example, next to each server, we'll put some descriptions first of all, yeah? And Harvey guys will help you with this, yeah? And then we will put URLs, what the URLs we're using exactly on this server. Like for example,
Auto.tresbat.com,
biz
blue box.
business purpose, yeah? Purpose, URLs, code flow, uh, you see? For example, a photo using only, I don't know, like some kind of these URLs, yeah, you see, marketing, list, I don't know, like product car updater, or for example, yeah, some servers, I don't know, ops maybe warehouse, yeah, house, like it means barcode pages, etc. And then yeah, we can show to Carlos, for example, what our guys can fix or can test, for example. And yeah, and how to test the tickets. I will already showed you. Okay, guys. Okay, do you have any questions?
Going back to Carlos' email that he said, we need some explanation for this failure. Can you go back to his email? So what would be our answer?
Mm-hmm. What was the topic?
Yeah, this one that
Hmm.
you opened earlier.
You mean here?
Yeah. What is that our part or what?
No. This is Craig Metrics to iDOS who is guys who is doing Craig Metrics.
Oh, okay. So you started from this, I think.
Ah, no. This is for Craig Metrics. Yeah, we need to explain like how this alert, the logic of this alert, for example.
Oh, okay.
This is mobile. Also. Yes, we will make the admin servers. We will mm, uh, need to figure out how to include you guys to Kanchan process. You got me right, yeah? How we can test how Kanchan can validate your results if we test some um, tickets related to master to main application. Okay, not to the admin servers, but to main application revolve.com. How we can improve this process together with Kanchan. And the second point, we have some applications that we are using for our own purpose. For example, DevOps department using the Craig Metrics application. Yes, how many times you saw like some Sparta messages like related to Craig Metrics, guys? Like for example, Dimash is our iOS Android developer, and he's making the application for us. We can call it Craig Metrics. You see, this is Craig Metrics, web mobile application. I will talk to Dimash, and you can install this application on your mobile phones, guys. Like, doesn't matter what you have, Android or iOS, yeah. And for example, and he also will make some checklist. And you guys, you also can test this application and find some problems. And for example, put some problems, create the tickets, or you guys have some problems in Craig metrics. I don't see this data. I don't see these metrics. I want to see this or this. You need to fix this or this, for example, yeah. And you can create the tickets for us. We can fix it and put on the process. How do you see?
Yeah, Nico's talking about already, and he asked Timash to send us invitation.
Mm-hmm. Dimash sent?
Yeah, he sent already, but
Did you install?
it was expired, so I text him again to send back.
Did
Okay.
you get it?
Maybe just did you install it or not?
I don't think I have received an email from him.
Oh, he didn't send in Slack. He sent a like separate invitation. Maybe you can check by his email. I think it's I'll send you later his email.
I think I have received an email before, but it was for Android, but I'm not using an Android phone.
Oh, maybe that's why I can install. And
Yeah, that's it.
yeah, I text
It's
him.
not like
Okay, yeah, I text him again, so he didn't see it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I added him to our group chat. Yeah, and where he will put the checklist, how to install Craig Matrix, how to check our functions. But In all these cases, the main point, yeah, or the main problem to get knowledge from the domain business knowledges, to have domain business knowledges. What does it mean? For example, for me, for as a developer, uh, if I work for a bank, yeah, I need to know some bank operation, bank problems, like how to check the accounts, how to make some anti-fraud operations check, yeah, or how to make some, like all like programming problems related exactly to banks. Yeah, and in this case, I need to know the domain knowledge of bank. Yeah. Uh, and this, for example, I was working in warehouse or not the warehouse, the sea or train terminals, like for example, if some seal come to your terminal, sea terminal in Panama Canal, yeah, and you need to figure out how to manage all these like a smart terminal, yeah, for example, this is another domain knowledge or another domain purpose. Here, for example, to test exactly revolve.com, the main domain knowledge is like a human behavior using this site, this website. You see, guys, here your domain knowledge is concentrated on human behavior on the website to make shoppings, etc., etc., etc. You need to figure out like how to use this website. Here like the domain knowledge is fashion industry, yeah, related to clothes, etc. But the Craig metrics domain knowledge is related to the DevOps because Craig metrics application that should help us observe or fix, not the fix, react on some problems related to our application. Yeah, you will see when you will connect your mobile version. Okay, guys, any questions?
The problem that was received last time about the customers, um, when the cart was clearing, when they were adding items to the cart, the problem was because it was not like upgraded to Java 11.
No, it was upgraded to Java 11. One server had like only one Sakura server. Like we have like 200 servers, yeah. Only one server had the Java 11, and the other
Oh,
servers had the Java 8. But
okay.
you, but they all these all servers using the same servers like for the how can I call short memory, yeah. Like long memory we use databases, yeah, for historical data, but for the short operation we're using the cache servers like a redis. And for example, when I put some items on Java 11 server, I will not see all these items wiped out with the all card on Java 8 server. Why? This is synchronization problems related to how to Java 11 put the date. You see, the main problem with in one single comma. Java 11 don't put comma in date. You got me, right? In the date. You see how like a one comma can make a huge big problems, can bring some huge big problems on your head. You see, guys? Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
You see
Yeah,
this
so the
date?
problem was the date format.
You see this date format? Do you see, guys?
Yeah.
what's the difference between date format and between this?
Mm-hmm.
Here, this is for Java 8. Here for Java 11. What's the difference between them?
There's a comma after the year.
Yeah, this is comma after the year. And you see like how one little comma can bring some problems to us where like even the Mike Nicholas was uh, angry with this problem. Okay, this is a problem was I think this problem we can prevent or solve with integration cross-platforming tests. Integration test means you not only check some manual operations that you have on a website, you will check on database layer or Redis layer when your application will connect to another servers, etc. This is means integration test.
Mm-hmm.
When your application integrate with another service that stands outside of your some code functionality or your box. Okay. Any questions? Guys, what you need to do, like for each of you, needs to run or like try to run here your own some branch or like a my branch. You need to try this, yeah, R2D2, and we can figure out what the test servers for each of you we can give you, yeah? Do you have some test servers here?
No.
Like our own? No.
Yeah. Emil can help you with this. Yeah, Emil.
Yeah.
Yeah, Emil can create for you or prepare, yeah, set up this server, and each server will have your own like a name. Yeah, for example, my servers is Zora and my servers names is Yoda and Zora, for example. Also, I have CPU. I have three servers, but not like that time like a this is only for some business purposes. And when we can prepare for you guys, for each of you, for one server, and you can run here, for example, some test cases, some branches, but here you need to click here to try these main regression automation tests on your own without like any help of Harvey or me. Try to run these like do not afraid to do something wrong or break something. Sometimes this is only way to get to know for to get to gain, yeah, the new knowledges. But yeah, you should make more practice here. Or also when Harvey will prepare this document with admin service, yeah, we will create, some document for us uh, for all processes. Like for example, admin service, how to test Craig metrics, and how to test the master revolve.com, the main project, yeah. And here, like in this Excel file, when Harvey will create, you will put your questions. Harvey, me, and me will help you or put some instructions here, okay? Some wiki. Okay, if you don't have any questions, let's
Let's move on.
yeah,
Let's call it a day.
yeah. Too many English in the morning. Yeah, it's a bit.
Oh, this team is actually very diverse.
Yeah, it could be to in English in the morning. It could be a tired. Yeah, for
Day.
what the chick or tongue. Yeah, you
I
got
can
it.
I can hear your breeze like kind of tired little from being manager talking. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, guys.
Askar never sleeps.
Yeah, yeah. Also, like, last, yeah, for the last Monday and Tuesday, yesterday, yes, I first time went to sleep because we had the problem with
Yeah, that.
the cart.
Yeah.
Hey guys, if you don't have questions, feel free to reach me out in this group chat. Write all your questions, all your mm, I don't know, like advices, yeah, to this group chat, and uh, we will figure out. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Mhm. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you
I
for
Thank
the
will.
you.
patience.
Thank you, guys. I will add you also to this group chat to help us to set up this temporary email. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Thank you
See you.
all.
See you.
See
Ah,
you.
yeah. And
Bye.
also just send the video link. Okay. Recording.
Okay.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay. Yeah.